Permacure repairs are unlike any tire plug you've ever used. Far superior to those cheap, sticky string repairs that eventually dry out and leak, Permacure repairs chemically bond to the tire for a lasting repair that seals out moisture and other contaminants that may cause knockoff repairs to fail. Hey guys, Izzy here from Tech. I'm here with Kyle, and today we're going to show you a few of the key advantages of Permacure plug repairs. So Kyle, what are some of the most common types of injuries that can be fixed using Permacure?
Yeah, Permacure repairs are ideal for just about any type of tire puncture or gash. One of the key advantages of Permacures is that not only do they bond to the tire, but they also bond to each other. So you can use multiple repairs to fill larger holes and gashes, even in the sidewall.
And what types of vehicles and tires do you see customers repairing with Permacures?
Yeah, pretty much any tubeless tire on all types of vehicles, including ATVs, dirt bikes, lawnmowers, all the way up to cars, trucks, SUVs, and even heavy equipment can be repaired using Permacure tire plugs. However, it's very important to note that for passenger vehicles traveling at highway speeds, Permacures should be considered a temporary repair only.
Thanks, Kyle. Now we're going to demonstrate two common injuries and how they can quickly and easily be repaired using Permacure Tire Repair Kits. The great thing about Permacure insert repairs is there's no need to remove the tire from the rim. So let's start with a simple puncture repair. Step 1, locate the puncture and remove the object from the injury. Next, you'll need to clean up the puncture to remove any torn belts or cords. To do this, use the reaming tool supplied with your Tech Tire Repair Kit. Apply some vulcanizing fluid to the reaming tool and prepare the injury using an in and out motion. Once you've thoroughly cleaned up the injury, leave the reaming tool in the tire to avoid any additional loss of air and to keep the vulcanizing fluid tacky while you prepare the Permacure for installation. Next, carefully remove the blue poly cover from the Permacure. Avoid touching the cushion gum as much as possible. The oils from your skin can reduce the adhesion of the repair insert. Place the Permacure into the eye of the installation tool. You'll notice that our inserts are nylon reinforced, so they're easier to install than ordinary plugs. Apply the vulcanizing fluid to the repair unit directly from the tube or bottle. Remove the reaming tool from the injury, and without twisting, firmly push the Permacure into the injury until the installation tool bottoms out. Then remove the installation tool by pulling straight out of the tire. Now, simply trim off the excess repair using a knife or cutting tool. And that's it! You now have a puncture repair that is permanently bonded to the tire. Now let's take a look at how you can use Permacure repairs to fill a larger gouge in the sidewall. For this example, Kyle is going to use an ATV tire with the type of injury you might find from a jagged rock.
Sure, to fill a sidewall injury, start by removing any damage with a knife or your reamer tool to create a clean bonding surface. Next, begin filling the injury one Permacure at a time. Simply cover a Permacure with vulcanizing fluid, place it in the injury, and repeat, while making sure you press each new Permacure tightly together with the previous. Fill the injury with as many repairs as it takes to fill the gouge. Finally, once the last Permacure is placed, trim off the excess repair using a knife or cutting tool.
Tech offers a variety of Permacure kits to meet your needs. The Permacure Tire Repair Kit includes all the necessary tools you need, along with 8 Permacures and 1 tube of vulcanizing fluid. The Permacure Plus Kit offers the same tools but gives you 24 repairs and 3 tubes of vulcanizing fluid. The Permacure Premium Kit and Permacure Truck Kit include upgraded ergonomic tools and comes with an entire box of 50 Permacures, an entire bottle of vulcanizing fluid, and a deluxe blow molded case. The truck kit simply includes longer repairs for thicker walled tires. Last but not least is our Permacure refill kit that simply includes 8 repairs and a tube of vulcanizing fluid. Perfect if you already have the right tools. There you have it. We hope you enjoyed our overview of Tech's line of Permacure repair kits. For more information on these and other Tech products, visit techtirerepairs.com.